Yesterday, when we first left Kathmandu to Chitwan, it was early as like 7 a.m. and it took us almost like 7 to 8 hours to reach to Chitwan, which was a really long and restless, tiring ride.
While building our tent, we learned the importance of teamwork and collaboration.
We started a campfire and we had a delicious dinner prepared by Borderlands. So we are here at Chitwan's Uppardan Gadi's lower belt of Tisapanitar, and we hiked all the way up to 1650 meters, which took about like 2 hours.
When we reached Meghauli, we went to jungle safari and we saw a lot of animals. Especially we saw rhino, we saw deers, and we saw peacock and etc. We got to experience the culture of Tharu. We saw 5 types of dance of their culture and we enjoyed a lot. We also played our own favorite songs and danced on them.
Jessica!
Here we saw this like beautiful shooting star, yeah.
No, this is the tika we saw
Yeah,
like
on-
a woman's
yeah.
head. Yeah.
So in this 3 to 4 days, we learned how to survive without phones and we enjoyed a lot even without devices.
We did so much fun that I can't express it in words.